Prayer or salat is really important. As I said, Muslims pray 5 times a day facing Mecca or east. They pray at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset, and after dark. But of course, if there are students or people who are at school or work and can't do that at that particular time, they can make it up at a different time during the day. In most Muslim countries, most businesses, understand that that's what you do. A lot of business owners take their prayer mats into the back of the shop and pray at certain times and things like that. I've had students in school ask for a prayer room, and that has happened in the past. I've had other students who just go home and make it up what they've missed during the day. Prayer includes a recitation of the opening chapter or a surah of the Quran. And students, or not students, Muslims usually have a small prayer rug that you can kind of see in this picture. It's about this size. It's often rolled up. It can be held under your arm. Otherwise, at the mosque, if you're not, that's for your individual prayers at home or wherever you're at. Otherwise, at the mosque, the whole prayer hall is covered in carpet. Um, Oftentimes, in a lot of these prayer mats, there's actually a little compass built into the prayer mat that shows you where Mecca is or where East is. When I was in the Middle East, there were a lot of places when I was in a hotel room or even on the airplane, there would be little signs as to where Mecca was so people knew what direction to send their prayers, which direction was east. Muslims can pray individually at any location or together in a mosque where a leader or imam leads them in prayer. A leader is the imam. And people, as I said earlier, gather on Friday as the holy day in Islam. And often there is also a ritual of cleaning, a certain way you need to clean and wash your hands, your feet, your face, etc. And the idea is that you're pure before God. Same thing with the prayer rug. The idea is that it is a clean space for you to pray upon, to go to pray to God. When you were in the mosque, you were to take off your shoes so as to not dirty anything in there as well. So that is Salat.